Hi, I'm Jennifer Matranga with Oscar Renda Contracting. Today we're here on Raynor Street, just north of Bradford, where we have completed the base course of asphalt from Division Street to Strawberry, and we have the road base in, and we're currently working on the storm drain structures. A little north of here on Elder, north on Elder, we're completing the road base work in preparation for curbing and base course of asphalt on the remaining portion of Raynor. We are working on Cuevas, south of Division, installing storm drain structures, and should be complete with that work in about 3 weeks, where we can start installing road base and then base course of asphalt. We continue to install sewer services and the last of the remaining water services on Biloxi in anticipation of beginning the road base work within the next couple of weeks. We are working on Forest Avenue. We have installed base course of asphalt from Division Street to Park Circle and road base to the Keesler Gate. We are completing the remaining sewer and storm drain work north of the Keesler Gate and also installing curbing. We anticipate having base course of asphalt installed by the end of next month. We have installed sidewalks on Walker, Parker, and numerous streets north of Division, and we'll be installing sidewalks on Forest Avenue starting next week. We also have landscaping going on project-wide and fences being installed. We are in the closeout phase of 4 of the 8 projects. And as always, we thank you for your patience and support.
Hi, my name is Jack Gravick. I'm the Assistant Project Manager for Hemphill Construction on the Biloxi South contract, and I'm here to give you an update on the progress of our work. We currently have 6 Hemphill crews and multiple subcontractors working hard every day to finish this job. We have 1 sewer crew working on Father Ryan Avenue. We have 1 storm drain crew working on the east side of Keesler Circle. We have 2 other pipe crews installing other storm drain and sewer services along the project. We have multiple concrete crews putting back sidewalks, driveways, and curbs throughout the project as well. We're here on St. Francis, where we just recently paved the street, and we will also be paving St. Paul south of Father Ryan and the Biloxi Avenue Park within the next coming weeks. In the next coming weeks, we will also be putting down the limestone base on Morrison Avenue, Caldwell Avenue south of Father Ryan, and Brister Place, with hopes of putting down asphalt within the next couple months. We would like to remind everybody again to please keep our employees' safety in mind while driving around our construction zones, and we would also like to thank you all for the cooperation with our work.